What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's second video, we're going to take a look at Tron, which I think is about to absolutely explode. I personally just bought more. This is not financial advice, just putting that out there straightforward. I just bought more though, because we have a couple seriously bullish things going on for Tron. So if that sounds good to you guys are new to the channel, don't miss out on any one of my videos. If you like today's content, press that subscribe button down below. Now, let's jump straight on into the daily chart here. And we're going to start with, the semi-bearish stuff, right? So there's two possible patterns that we could be in right now. We could just be in this daily symmetrical triangle here, or we could just be in this daily, what's it called? The ascending triangle. Sorry, I couldn't think there for a second, right? It's Sunday, right? Late night last night. Anyways, we could just be in this ascending triangle as well. You guys can see, if we count the wicks, right? I mean, we keep wicking to this top purple resistance here. But we also, right, if we cut off this giant kind of fake out pump there, we keep getting rejected on this yellow line on a close basis as well. So those are the two possible patterns we could be right now on the daily. The 50-day EMA currently stands at about 29.7 cents, but you guys can see it really hasn't been that big of a factor for Tron. So I'm more concerned about this 200-day moving average, because that has acted as some support here in the past, and that is slowly creeping its way up here. You guys can see it's kind of almost leveling out, because we literally just been sideways for Tron pretty much since like August, right? We've been pretty much range bound going across here since August, so almost 5 months of sideways. We are coiling up for an absolutely massive move for Tron. We're going to take a look at that at the end of this video, but I first just wanted to touch on where we are at right now. So guys, we're just consolidating in between one of these two patterns. I personally think that we could just be in this ascending triangle. We're making higher lows, right? And our close basis, minus this one little massive pump we got there, have been pretty much in the same spots. You guys can see we pumped up to it there, pumped up to it there, pumped up to it there, pumped up to it there. So we could just be in the ascending triangle. I'm going to keep this top resistance, even though it is cutting off a massive wick over here. But I'm going to keep that nonetheless, just in case that acts as further resistance down the line. So that's the daily chart, guys. We're going to flip on over. Well, first, there's really not much on the daily chart as far as divergences go, so I'm not even going to look at that. But on the 4 hour, this is where things get good. So I have the two things going on. I have the ascending triangle, cutting off a couple of the wicks, and then I have the EMAs and the RSI in the bottom, obviously. So we are making hidden bullish divergence here on the 4 hour, which should push us up to the upside. You guys can see our last 3 lows for the RSI have been lower lows, right? But our last 3 lows on the price action have been higher lows, which is hidden bullish divergence, which on the 4 hour theoretically should push us higher up to the upside. And what would that do? Well, we have this green line here, which has been our crazy amount of resistance in the past, right? You guys can see we keep trying to test it. Once there, twice there, and back here we did as well. Here we did as well, and scrolling all the way on over, we got resistance on it there as well. So you guys can see how crazy this resistance is right now. We are right at it. You can't even see the line of where we are at right now, but we're actually right above that resistance. So I want to see that hold. If we dip back down, I mean, this could negate everything I'm talking about on this video. So watch this green line, guys. We want to make a higher low here, scrolling on super into the 4 hour. We want to make a higher low, in my opinion, than about 32 cents. If we break down below 32 cents, actually about 31.4 cents. If we make a lower low than that, that kind of validates this, and we could be dropping back down to one of these EMAs here, either the 100 4-hour EMA or the 200 4-hour EMA. But hidden bullish divergence going on the 4 hour. So super short-term time frame. You guys might be saying, all right, it's the 4 hour, right? These may not happen, but we have something absolutely monumental going on right now that we do not see very often in crypto, and that is a weekly hidden bullish divergence, right? So you guys can see on the RSI, as far as the weekly closes go on. So this is on the weekly chart. We never see this, and this is why I'm so bullish, and I scooped up more Tron after I saw this. But you guys can see our two lower lows on the RSI, right? And we keep getting higher lows on the price action on a closed basis. And even on the wicks, we're getting higher lows, right? You could take it for all you guys are saying, oh, you're cutting off the wicks. You could do the wicks as well. But usually on the RSIs, as far as divergences go, I like to do the closes. And you guys can see this is huge, right? This is long-term stuff, which could push this super high in the long term. We're pretty much just keep closing right below this red line, and we're getting squeezed, right? You guys can see each time we keep wicking down to this 20-week moving average. This is going to keep moving up, right? This is going to keep moving up, and I think the RSI is going to keep making this divergence. We're going to keep getting higher lows in the price action, and this is going to springboard us up, right? I'm talking major move. I mean, we've been talking about this Tron cup and handle pattern, right? This cup and the handle here, right? So long-term cup and handle pattern, hidden bullish divergence going on, getting squeezed, our 20-week moving average, right, fast, moving up to our major resistance line. This is all coiling up for an absolutely crazy move for Tron. I mean, we've already looked at our measured move of this cup and handle from our bottom. We'll do another measured move here so you guys can see that are new to the channel. If we broke out sometime in between here, this is going to give us a price of about almost close to 60 cents just on this cup and handle pattern. I do not think we're going to stop there either. If we end up breaking this resistance back here at about 39 cents, we could be going all the way on up to about 88 cents, because looking left, there's really not much support and resistance going on here up until this higher high over here. So guys, absolutely crazy stuff going on for Tron right now. Like I said, not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do. Doesn't mean it has to play out, right? We could see Bitcoin take a massive dump, right? And then Tron dumps with it as well. We've seen this in the past. I can just look at the technicals and see what the technicals are doing. But at the end of the day, Daddy Bitcoin is going to decide what Tron does. So if Bitcoin can get a little bit of a bounce here, or at least go sideways, that could allow Tron to have a monumental move that we've been waiting for so long for this coin. So that's the video on Tron today. I'm going to try to get this up as quick as possible for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to the channel, smack that subscribe button down below. Come out with 2 crypto videos every single day of the week for you guys, and also have started live streaming. Haven't decided if I'm going to do a live stream today. I've got a couple real life stuff I got to get done, so I'll let you guys know. Both on my Twitter, go follow me on there if you haven't already, and I will leave a YouTube post telling you what time I'm going to be going live as well. So hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. If I don't talk to you, other than that,